Gaur. Let's take a look at what's making headlines. In a first statement to the Yes Bank crisis, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman today assured Yes Bank depositors that their money in the troubled bank is safe and that the Reserve Bank of India will find a resolution plan very soon. Nirmala Sitharaman said that the government is in constant touch with the RBI on the issue and the RBI has assured the government that a renewal plan would be found very soon. Speaking on the crisis hit Yes Bank, Reserve Bank of India Governor Shaktikant Das said that the depositors' interest will be fully protected. There is no need to worry. The Reserve Bank of India said yesterday that it is superseding the board of the troubled private sector lender Yes Bank with immediate effect. Former State Bank of India CFO Prashant Kumar has been appointed the administrator. All the accused in the case of sedition filed over a school play in Karnataka's Bidar have been granted anticipatory bail by a court that said that the case lacked enough basis. The play, themed on protests against the Citizenship Amendment Act, has not caused any disharmony in the society. The play, performed in January by students between 9 and 12, landed in trouble when sedition complaint was filed over an 11-year-old girl's lines enacting an elderly woman. She said if anyone asked for documents, she would hit them with slippers. A new photo of the former Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Omar Abdullah has surfaced on the social media on Thursday. The photo, clicked in a room, shows Omar Abdullah sporting a long beard and he's seen standing with a doctor apparently. The National Conference leader, who has been in detention at Harinivas since August 5th, 2019 when Article 370 was scrapped, has not shaved since. This is the third photo of Omar that has surfaced since his detention in January 2020. Omar Abdullah's photograph, wearing a woolen cap and sporting a long white beard, surfaced on social media and went viral. He was seen smiling with snow in the backdrop. The number of confirmed coronavirus cases in India reached 31 after a Delhi man with a history of travelling to Thailand and Malaysia tested positive on Friday. The Union Health Ministry has asked states to set up rapid response teams at the district, village and block levels as cases of community transmission of the disease have been observed. Delhi government took stock of preparedness in the city, announcing closure of all primary schools till March 31st as a precautionary measure for coronavirus. Delhi government has also directed schools to suspend the morning assembly in view of coronavirus. Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray will visit the makeshift temple of Lord Ram in Ayodhya on Saturday afternoon, followed by a prayer at the Saryu River in the evening. The Aarti at the banks of the river has been cancelled due to the coronavirus threat and the medical advisories to avoid large gatherings. This will be Uddhav Thackeray's first visit to Ayodhya after becoming the Chief Minister. Shiv Sena Rajya Sabha MP Sanjay Raut yesterday met Uttar Pradesh's Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. That's all in this bulletin. Thanks for watching. The news and updates will continue on the other side.